Hi everyone, myself Lagmeena. Today I am going to teach Grade 7 NCERT Geography Chapter 1 Environment. Let me go to the lesson. Here I welcome you all. The Chapter 1 Environment. The environment we can see in simple words, that is our earth. What are the things will be surrounding on our earth? It be called as a environment. Environment has come from French word what we called as a neighborhood. Neighborhood, what are the families will be in the neighbor will called as neighborhood. Same words, the environment also called as a neighborhood. Things around us which can be living or non-living things are termed as a environment. Whatever the things, but it is be the natural or human made, what are the environment things will be surrounding and us, it will be called as it is a term as a environment. Example, place, things, people, etc. Whatever things you will be knowing, you can write it as your own. This all will be called as a environment. On June 5th, World Environmental Day, we will celebrate as a World Environment Day. It is say as a go on green, just planting the tree, any whatever the things will be grow as a environmental day. So next topic is components of environment. Components of environment are divided into three, that is natural environment, human environment and human made environment. In natural environment there is a land, water and air. Let me discuss one by one. As a human will be divided into individuals, family, community, religious, education. I think you all be familiar with those words. Next one is human made. What are the things is made by human? It will called as a human made environment, like roads, buildings, parks, etc. Many things will be there. Let me discuss one by one. Here we have discussed about natural, human and human made. Of course, the animals here I shown. This is a natural. This is a fish what we am showing. This is also a natural. It is not a human made. This is of course we the human. We are going for every challenge and every technology also. This is a human made things. What are the structure technology they were used. Of course this is for our environment, that too natural environment. You can see the sky, sunlight glowing, mountain, the greenery, land, stones, everything would be called as a natural environment. Natural environment is divided into two, that is biotic and abiotic. The biotic word means the world of living organisms. Organism is like a small particles, small microorganisms. What are the things will be there? This all the called as a biotic. It is a living organisms. Example, plant and animals. Abiotic, it is a means it is a word will called as a absent. So the word of non-living element. It is not living means it will be grow step by step, but non-living element it will not go. It will be on the initial stage only. That stage only. It will be in the rest. So example like a land. You can give any other words or example for this. Just we know that how the plant will grow. Just will be you have think though you have be seeding in the plant, it will be grow as tall as it will be growing. Of course, this is the animals. This is one of the natural things that you can see in anywhere. Example I have given here. Environment is divided into other four that already I told: land, water and the air. Here the four have divided: atmosphere, hydrosphere, lithosphere and the biosphere. So one by one we are going to study. Here the next one is lithosphere. It is a solid crust or the hard top layer of the earth. You know, the crust means what are the upper layer of the earth, like a mud, mountain, continents. This all the called as a lithosphere. Lithosphere, the word we can say in the simple word as a land. What are the things will be on the land? It is called as a lithosphere. It is a hard top layer of the earth. It is very hard, that you know that. Next we are going for the hydrosphere. It is refers to the water bodies like a river, lake, seas, ocean, etc. on the earth. Whatever things will be water bodies will be on the earth will called as a hydrosphere. The simple words we can say as a water. Next one is atmosphere. It is a air. It's a thin layer of the air. Is a mixture of many mixture of gases is there that surrounds around the earth. Like a nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, many of the gases were there. This all be called as a mixture of gas. That word will call as a air. It is protects from us a harmful rays. Yes, you know that the ozone layer is present in our atmosphere where the sunlight cannot be transfers directly on the earth. So the ozone layer will be stop that rays and will be protect us. That is the one of the rays, and it consists of number of gas. As already I told, the mixture of gases will make as a air. So I'll show you the percentage of this air. Nitrogen is 78 percentage, oxygen is 21 percentage, other gases is 1 percentage, argon is 1 percentage, and carbon dioxide is 0.04 percentage. This is the mixture of gases present on the air. Next one, biosphere. Biosphere, the word will be explained in this picture. Whatever that atmosphere, hydrosphere, lithosphere, natural things will be support together will called as a biosphere. They will be defined as the narrow life supporting zone where the land, water, air interact each other. Where the lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere together, they will be support all the living organisms also, non-living organisms also. This all will called as a biosphere. Next, already we saw that human made. The term human made environment is refers to human made surrounding that provide facilities for the human needs. This human made environment gives a place in like a live, work, educate, recreate, and then whatever the necessity of that human beings, they'll be used on their human made environment. So you can see that rocket, that has all the technology what the human has made. Next, we know already the barter system. Here the barter system is defined as a trade in which goods are exchanged without uses of money. You know that here there is no uses of money, they will be exchanging the goods only. You can see here one person is giving apple, another person is giving banana. Without exchanging of money, paying of money, they will be exchanging of the goods. It is all in the olden days where they be called as a barter system. Next, you know ecosystem. Ecosystem is where only the organisms will be related with that ecosystem in the environment will call as a ecosystem. The definition is the relation between the organism and their surrounding is called as a ecosystem. You can see the many organisms will be surrounding over the water, land and the air. This all the things are some sun also, rainy also, soil also, water also. What are the nutritions plants communities their habitat, it will be called, all this will be called as a ecosystem. You know that next topic is that human environment, that is our environment. Here the human has interacted with the environment. We have studied, I think so. They'll be changing the environment according to their needs. Yes, right. They'll be modifying the environment according to their needs. You know that earlier human adapted themselves to the natural environment. What are the things will be getting? They'll be using that. But within that time, the humans' brain is working more, so they use new ideas, new technologies. They're learning new things also. It is as grown by new technology. It is came by step. It is as increase. To travel, they was finding the wheel in different way, and the transportation also came easy. Same as they found the domestic animals they use for the hunting and the food also. They was lead to the some settled life. What are the things they have made? As a wheel is invented, there become the easier transportation that you can see by this image. By step they have improved. That we know that we are now during this lockdown we have used many technology, that is in laptop or Zoom, like that also. Information revolution made the communication easier and speed across the world. So it is a scheme famous in that communication also will be easier in wherever place you can be, we can be communicated with this technology. As you know that Asian people they used to record in the Sanskrit after the printable publication. Now email, Twitter, the technology has improved. In this last conclusions, they saying human must learn to live and use their environment in the harmonious way. Should not affect the environment. We can should be balanced with that environment. So whatever things we will be using should not destroy the environment. Then we should be lead our life or to settle our life. We have to grow many trees. And we have to plant many things. Should not be deforestation. Just it should be the afforestation. Here the word we are going to say. Let me go on greeny environment. I think you'll be following that.